It's pretty small. It's not too bad. It blocks big-headed things here and on that side, but at least you got two for simple heads. It's upside down, yes. That's the way he put it. It's time to be cleaned. Oh, see, you can't put it the other way. But you could. Oops. There you go. I think it's still noisy.
I bought 2 of these, and this is half.
Alright guys, I'm going to test out my new portable mini heater that I bought on Amazon. So currently in the restroom it is about 69.970 degrees. And here's the little heater that I bought. So let's turn this sucker on. And on. And let's see how much heat it's producing. Damn, check that out. That thing is hot. Oh my goodness. I love it.
The bathroom is nice and comfy right now. Love this little heater. You can turn it all the way up to 90 degrees if I wanted to, but I don't want that hot in here. Let's see, put that down to 75. Love it.
Here's the sound of it. It's been plugged in for like 5 minutes. There's what it says 06, but it's actually 90. This is what it's supposed to be. So if I go like that, then you'll see. Right now, my hand's probably about 6 inches away, and it's very warm.
We bought this heater for our bathroom about a year ago, and it worked okay. It just made a lot of noise. But you can see here the brown around the coils. It actually started to burn, and then it burned out completely. So definitely not safe to be used. And I will be reporting it to the Consumer Protection Bureau.
So first you switch it on from here, then from here, then you have the temperature. It's 90. Yeah, it's hot. You can decrease the temperature, yeah, and you can have your timer. It's good overall.
It's one dunk. Show us what they got. First up, Big Juicy. How?